Hey, let's take a look at this ABESTORM SN55 industrial grade dehumidifier. Here's your screen. It comes with an outlet right here on the front that you can add on your optional external controller, so you can put it on another floor of your home or wherever it may be that you're going to use it at. Comes with a long 120 volt cord here, all spinning around for you. This is where your dehumidified air will come out at. It also has a piece of ductwork that comes with it, that if you want to duct that dehumidified air, you can do so right there. Another great feature here is, here's your filter. It's easy to service. Just pick it up, pull it out, just like so. There's your filter. Install it, make sure it snaps back into place. It has two nice handles here. This thing's not very heavy at all, but it's an efficient unit. It'll get rid of that musty smell out of your basement or that dampness in your basement or crawl space. So checking this out, yeah, definitely probably already have that problem. I can vouch this is a great unit, and it'll definitely take the humidity out of the air in a big hurry. If this looks like something you'd use, all the information's below. You'll be happy with this product, I sure am.